Hey guys, welcome back to another video here with me, Yvonne. And today I'm going to be doing my a Boxy charm unboxing. Like a week ago, I got my Boxy charm box and I opened it up, and I've been wanting to film this video for quite some time, but because I've been so busy doing other things, I haven't really filmed it. Right now we are in my room, so that's the room. So yes, let's get to it. Boxy charm, Boxy charm. If you don't know what Boxy charm is, it's like this. There we go. It's a subscription. It's a subscription. It's a subscription to like makeup and just a lot of goodies. It's $25 a month, and every month they'll send you a box with 5 full-size products to your home to test out. And it's kind of personal because you get to fill out kind of like a survey of the things that you like. You know, for me, I chose a lot of a variety of things. No crazy colors because I'm not a crazy color person. I chose no crazy blushes. So it kind of goes like, what kind of makeup style do you have, right? So for my box, these are my goodies. And obviously they come wrapped really nicely with like, I think bubble wrap, but I took it out because I wanted to see hotter. And then it comes with like a little card that looks like this. And this month's theme is called Fresh Start, which is kind of nice because it is a fresh start because it's 2021. So it came with 5 products this time. Well, most times comes with 5 products. And the total cost, so like I said, I paid $25 for this box, and the amount of products in here is $214. So I got 5 products for $25. And if I would have actually purchased these products and I wanted to test them out, I would have paid, yes, I would have paid $214. So it's pretty cool. I'm actually really happy. I opened them up already. I wanted to do a try on, but I might use some of this stuff. And I'm out of breath, guys, because I am almost 6 months pregnant, and your girl is tired. I get tired when I talk. So let's start off with this because this is really cool. Let me get closer. So this, can you guys see? And it has like little, I don't know, crystals, pebbles? I don't know what they would be. This is the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles Quartz Infused Reset Mist Lavender Body and Linen Spray, 100% natural. So this actually smells really good. I'm gonna do this on my bed tonight. Oh yeah, that smells good. That smells good, and it's not even like super strong. So I'm gonna use this for sleeping tonight. See how I sleep with this. Put it on my pillow and then go to bed. So the price of this, let me see, is $36. And it says, indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the reset mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep, and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. Oh, so it can also be a toner. Nice. Okay, so we know what that is. Now this other product looks really cool. Here it is. And this one retails for $38. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil. Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. With morning moringa and papaya. That seems interesting. Apply to clean face. Use AM and PM. Avoid direct eye contact. Perfect. I just washed my face. I'm gonna use it. So let's open this baby up. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. And it's green, and it just, for whatever reason, because of the container that it comes in, it just looks like it works. So let's open this baby up. Oh, that smells good. And I did wash my face already, so. Oh my God. Oh my God, this smells so good. Okay. Oh, I love when things that I put on my face smell so good, because I love to close my eyes and just breathe it all in. So that smells really good. I probably should have done the toner underneath this, but oh well. So I think I can do the toner over it. Let's try it over it. Okay, so we did that. And my face actually feels, it smells so good. It actually feels really smooth. I really like it. We'll do the toner afterwards. The next thing is Do Not Age with Dr. Brent Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So I actually really like this brand. I've gotten it a couple times from Boxy, and I know it's a very expensive brand and it works well. And this is actually $82. So it's the most expensive product in the box. This deeply hydrating peptide powder cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. This is what I need. I have been looking for an eye cream. Oh, yes. Okay, let's try it. I have been looking for like a really nice eye cream. I'm 30. I'm 30 years old, and I don't really have like a routine. So I'm already noticing kind of like wrinkles on this area here. So I want something, I don't want to have wrinkles. I'm only 30. So let's try it. Let's put it on our finger. It's cute too. So it kind of looks like that. So I need a mirror. Let's do it with this one. Okay. For eye creams, I actually use it all around the eye, and I make like a triangle. Kind of like this. It feels nice. It's very lightweight. So I like that. It's not drying. It's not pulling. I've tried some eye creams that when I put them on, they just immediately start to feel like it's pulling on my skin, and I hate it. And this one, it doesn't smell like anything. So that's also really nice, and it's not irritating. So let's keep trying this for a little bit. Okay, that's done. And now let's spray on this mist. That smells really good. Okay. Ooh, I inhaled it. Okay. So yeah. So let's move on to what's next. Okay, so what's next is two actual makeup products. This is, I don't know how to say it. Sayet, the Velvet Palette. So I don't remember what's in here actually, but the Velvet Palette, it is create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. And it says it retails for $30. So we're gonna open this palette. I don't know if this is something I'm gonna use today, But this is actually really cute. The texture is really nice. Let's open it. Ooh la la. Actually, these are really cute. So let's look at those. There we go. That's actually very nice colors. Are they my colors? Yeah, I like to use shimmer once in a while, so I might use them today. Yeah, I might try it today, actually, but those are the ones that come in there. And now we have the Queen Studio Dragon Duo. So this is actually an eyeliner. And it looks like that. So modern day Boss Babe approved. Ooh, I'm a Boss Babe. With an inky black pigmentation and semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner Liquid for a smudge-proof symmetrical wings or Dragon Liner Pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. And this retails for $28. I think there was 2 in here. Yeah, so there's 2 in here, which is really cool. I am a big fan of eyeliner. I wear eyeliner almost every time I do my makeup. Most of the time I wear eyeliner. So this is the pencil. So it's kind of really cute. So this is my favorite type of eyeliner, like the pencil type, because I can get a good grip and I can make a good line. And I'm guessing this is the one that, oh, this is the other kind of pencil. Oh, this is nice too. I don't really know how to smudge my eyeliner, but now that I have one of these, I am looking forward to learning. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's all that came in my BoxyCharm box. I am actually gonna get to do my makeup right now. I might do another video on that. So I'm gonna do a video of me doing my makeup using my BoxyCharm products and just chit-chatting with you guys. So if you guys want to see how I use the products, well, you guys already saw that I use 3 products, but the other 2 products, watch my next video. Yeah, but guys, thank you so much for watching. This is an awesome deal if you are a makeup lover like myself, but also don't really have a lot of experience with makeup. BoxyCharm is the way to go because you start kind of collecting makeup and kind of getting to know what you like and testing out products and brands for $25 a month. So instead of paying the $214 that I would have paid for these products, because as you guys know, makeup and skincare is very expensive, especially if you're like me, that I just love testing out things. I don't even wear, like, I'll use a palette, maybe some palettes, I do use them all the time. But some palettes, I wear them like once or twice and that's about it. And then I feel so bad because I paid such a high price for them, but I don't know what else to do with them. So if you're like me and you love testing out new things, new products for your skincare and for your makeup, I think you even do like nail stuff, make sure you check out BoxyCharm. I'm gonna leave the link under the description for BoxyCharm in case you wanna sign up. And no, this is not sponsored. And of course, I'm not gonna get absolutely anything if you do sign up, but I do think that it's a really nice investment. It's $25. Usually you spend a lot more on a coffee if you go to Starbucks 4 or 5 times a week. So I think this is really good. It's very nice. And it fits right into like self-care. Like this is self-care right here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And yeah, leave me a comment below if you do have BoxyCharm and what did you get in your box, because everybody gets different things. And I love watching on YouTube BoxyCharm videos because I like to see what other people are getting, because I can go in BoxyCharm and change my products as well for like next month if I feel like I want to do nail stuff or some blush or lipsticks. So it's kind of cool. All right, well, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.